Inside of MindTap, there are reports available for both instructors and students to be able to make the most of the simulated and in-application Microsoft Skills assignments. These reports are primarily available through the SAM app on the right-hand side of the MindTap interface. This video will walk you through some of the available reports and where to find them in MindTap. To open up the SAM reports in MindTap, you'll click the SAM app on the right-hand side of the screen and then click the Results tab to see the report generator. Remember, in your CIS 115 course, exams are actually called unit quizzes, trainings are your guided practices, and projects are your graded exercises. Let's take a look at the reports available for projects. There are a few that I'm going to focus on for today's training, and the first is the Download Submitted Projects report. I'll need to select my student and then select the activity that I want to view the graded file for. Now note, you also have access to their source file, which is their submitted file that they submitted for grading inside of MindTap. Let's go ahead and open up that graded file. The graded file will open in the application that is being assessed. So for example, this particular graded exercise is an Excel exercise, so we'll open up in Excel. I'll first be presented with a graded summary report, which lists all the tasks and any errors made by the student, as well as point value that was assigned for those particular tasks or portions of the particular task if they got part of a task correct. I can also see where the student made mistakes, what they entered for their information or data, and if I hover over any of the cells in this particular project, I can see where the students made an error and what they should have done in that particular part of the task. Another report that I can generate for projects is called a Projects Incident Report. This will list whether any student attempted to cheat on a project by renaming a file that was not their own or by copying from another student's project. Now let's take a look at a few of the reports that you can generate for exams. The first is the frequency analysis. Select the exam and click Generate Report. This report will break down what percentage of the section got each task correct. Another report I can generate is the Individual Performance Report. I'll need to select my student first, select the exam, click Generate Report. This is a listing of each task in the exam and the point value received for each. It also includes the total time spent, as well as what if the student got the task correct, incorrect, skipped the task, or did not look at a task. For incorrect task, a playback link allows the instructor to see a recording of the student's attempt at the missed task. So here I could see a click path that the student took in completing that task in the exam. I can also run some reports by section. Another report available in the exams portion is a student completion certificate, and this is simply a certificate stating that students have passed an exam. For the reports and trainings, I have 3 report types available to me. Let's take a look at the individual performance report. I'll need to again select my student, select the training or the guided practice, click Generate Report, and I can see a listing of each task that the students completed and the point value received for each. I can also see the time spent on each task, total time spent on the training itself, and time spent on each mode of the training: intro, observe, practice, and apply. If I take a look at the section results by training for a particular assignment and generate a report, I can see the results for an entire section on a particular guided practice.